Ever felt like your appointment scheduling system was more of a headache than a helper? Like it was adding to your to-do list instead of taking things off it? You're not alone. We've all been there. We've all searched for that elusive, perfect solution that just clicks. And for many, Acuity Scheduling has been that click. But what if, just what if, there was something better? Something that goes beyond just booking appointments and dives into streamlining your entire business? Think about it. You've got your clients, your services, your availability, your payments, your marketing. It's a juggling act, isn't it? Acuity helps with the scheduling part. Sure, but what about the rest? What about the tools that truly empower you to grow and thrive? Before we dive into what might be better than Acuity, let's take a moment to understand why Acuity became so popular in the first place. It's user-friendly, it's customizable, and it integrates with a lot of other platforms. For many small businesses and solopreneurs, it's a solid, reliable workhorse. You can create different appointment types, set your availability, send automated reminders, and even collect payments. It's a great starting point. But, and this is a big but, as your business grows, your needs evolve. You start to crave more. You start to see the limitations. You realize that just scheduling appointments isn't enough. You need a system that understands the bigger picture. For example, what about comprehensive client management? Acuity is decent for basic client information, but it doesn't offer a robust CRM. You can't track client interactions, personalize your communication, or easily segment your audience. Imagine being able to see a client's entire history with your business, their past appointments, their preferences, their notes. That level of insight can transform your client relationships. And what about marketing? Acuity has some basic integration with email marketing platforms, but it doesn't offer built-in marketing tools. You can't create targeted campaigns, automate your promotions, or track your marketing ROI. Imagine a system that automatically sends follow-up emails to clients after their appointments, or that offers personalized discounts to repeat customers. That's the kind of marketing power that can drive growth. Then there's the issue of team management. If you're a solopreneur, this might not be a concern. But if you have a team, Acuity's team management features can feel a bit limited. You can't easily assign tasks, track team performance, or manage team schedules. Imagine a system that allows you to create team roles and permissions, track team availability, and automatically distribute appointments based on team member skills. And let's not forget about analytics and reporting. Acuity provides some basic reports, but it doesn't offer in-depth insights into your business performance. You can't easily track your revenue, your client retention rate, or your most popular services. Imagine a system that provides you with detailed dashboards and reports that show you exactly how your business is performing and where you can improve. So, what's better than Acuity? The answer isn't a single platform. It's a shift in mindset. It's understanding that your scheduling system should be more than just a scheduling tool. It should be the central hub of your business, a platform that empowers you to manage your clients, market your services, and grow your business. We're talking about platforms that integrate scheduling with comprehensive client relationship management, CRM, marketing automation, team collaboration, and in-depth analytics. Platforms that offer a holistic approach to business management. Think of systems like all-in-one platforms. These platforms combine scheduling with CRM, marketing, invoicing, and more. They offer a comprehensive suite of tools that allow you to manage your entire business from a single dashboard. These platforms often boast deeper automation and customization than Acuity. Specialized CRM platforms with built-in scheduling. These platforms prioritize client management and offer robust CRM features, along with integrated scheduling capabilities. They're ideal for businesses that focus on building strong client relationships. Platforms designed for specific industries. Some platforms are designed specifically for certain industries, such as fitness, beauty, or healthcare. These platforms offer industry-specific features and workflows that can streamline your operations. The key is to identify your specific needs and choose a platform that aligns with your business goals. Ask yourself these questions. What are my biggest pain points with my current scheduling system? What features are most important to me? What is my budget? How much time am I willing to invest in learning a new platform? What is my plan for growth over the next 1, 3, and 5 years? Once you have a clear understanding of your needs, you can start exploring different options. Don't be afraid to try out free trials and demos. Read reviews and compare features. Talk to other business owners in your industry and see what they're using. Remember, the best scheduling system is the one that works best for you. It's the one that helps you save time, streamline your operations, and grow your business. It's also important to remember that better is subjective. What works for one person may not work for another. The best way to find out what's truly better for you is to do your research and try out different options. Make sure that the platform you choose integrates well with the other tools that you use in your business. You are not just looking for a calendar. You are looking for a business partner, a tool that understands the flow of your business and helps you navigate the challenges that come with growth. Consider the level of support a platform provides. If you run into issues, how easy is it to get help? Is there a dedicated support team? Are there online resources and tutorials? These are important factors to consider, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Look for platforms that are constantly evolving and adding new features. The technology landscape is constantly changing, and you want to choose a platform that is keeping up with the latest trends. Ultimately, the goal is to find a system that allows you to focus on what you do best, serving your clients and growing your business. Don't settle for a system that just gets the job done. Look for a system that empowers you to thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.